co-founder of Randall. Yeah, hello. Yeah, so I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. The name still remains the same. Kind of rhymes. A co-founder of Randall Technology Company. Yeah, so I welcome you all to your fresh and new episode on my humble and noble platform. Yeah, we talk about how to make money online, how to do investments, and sometimes we talk about tech video. But disclaimer: I'm not a financial coach. I'm just a student who love making money online. Yeah, so it means that this video is not educative. It's just for entertainment and not educative purpose. Yeah, so I don't hold any responsibilities of your risk and everything. Before you invest or do anything with this platform, make sure that you do your further research before you do it. Yeah, so they just launched this platform, and it's a Ghanaian based platform. Ghanaian-based platform. So I will leave their link in the description. If you want to join, then you do it. Yeah. So this platform, if you register with my link, automatically you'll be getting free 30 Ghana cedis. So I want to show you how you can withdraw the 30 Ghana cedis and how you can deposit or how you can buy products on this platform. Because when you buy products on this platform, it will help you gain or earn money daily. So when I come to product, you see that we have a lot of products over here. Yeah, so let me start with the wind power. Yeah, so it's 60 Ghana. So let me buy this product and let me bank transfer. So I'll go to buy. So when I come to buy, you see that we have like the bank account title, blah blah blah, over here, and the bank account name. So this is how you do it. You will take your phone. If you're using Vodafone or MoMo, it can do it. Vodafone or MTN or everything can do it. So you just go to your, like I'm using MTN, so I'll dial star 170 hash. Then I'll enter transfer money. Then MoMo user. Then I will enter the number. This is the number. This is the number. So that's 0247567252. Then I'll copy it and go to next and paste it. Yeah. So I'll enter the amount. Make sure that the amount, this is the amount. So make sure that you enter the same amount. So 60. Then let's reference that's like you can use your ID as a reference. The ID as reference 024720. Then go to send. So you see the name. The name is what? Nice Breco or Josega Ventures. Josega Ventures. So that's it. That's Josega Ventures. Yeah. So I'll go to the then I will send the money. Sent. So when you send the money, finish, please go to your message and send the screenshot that shows that you have sent the money to them. So after sending the money, you see that MTN will give you, or if you are using Vodafone Cash, they will give you message. Yeah, so you go to your messages. I just received mine. Then you go to your messages and screenshot it. You have to screenshot it. Yeah, so I'll screenshot it. Sorry. So so I want to show you the process because people say that people have been like commenting that they don't know how to deposit and withdraw. That is why I'm taking my time to show you the process to withdraw and to deposit. Yeah. So let me do this and go and save it again. So since I use phone, so let me transfer the image to WhatsApp and and paste it over here. Yeah. So after doing it, you just have to what, screenshot the message that Vodafone Cash or MTN sent to you. Then you what? So I sent to myself on WhatsApp. So let me go and copy it. So let me go and copy it. So this what? So I'll save it and I'll come here and so where would I say it? Where would I say it? Where would I say it? I'm coming. I save it, but I don't know where it will be. Let me see. I'll save it too. So save it, camera. Hey, okay, let me go with recent. Yeah, so it is it. Now, you see, so the image you upload, yeah. So after that, then you confirm payment. So submitting payment vouchers can help us confirm your order as soon as possible. Yeah. So then I'll go back because like I've submitted it. So I'll go back. I'll go back. So I'll go back and they'll confirm it. And you see that this one will purchase for me. Yeah. So they'll confirm it and do it. Yeah. So the next one on my list is like how you can withdraw your money. So when I have 120 cedis over here, I just like like be on this platform just today, and I've made more than 700 Ghana cedis. So let me show you. So when I go to withdraw, you see that I have 250 I have withdraw, and around 250 I'm about to withdraw is processing. Yeah. So I want to withdraw 120. I will do it like this. 120. You see. Then I'll go to withdraw. So the withdrawal request has been submitted. So it will be in a processing session. It will add up here. Have you seen it? Yeah. So when they all reflect in the accounts, it will change from processing to success. Then and this one, what about this one is like it can take 30 minutes to 1 hour before it will reflect. If you're using bank accounts, it can take like more than 30 minutes or 1 hour to reflect in your bank accounts. Yeah. So when you issue this thing, please just be patient. Yeah, just be patient and it will land straight in your account. Yeah. To land straight to your account. Yeah. So this is how you do to deposit and withdraw your money. And this one, if you register through my link in my description, you'll get free 30 cities. Yeah. So you just need to invite someone to the platform and you get additional 30 cities and you withdraw your money. That's how it is. Yeah. So thank you for watching me. And the next 2 minutes, I'm Ken Rhymes and I'm out. And don't forget to subscribe.